to all the beautiful people that are deaf, and I just wanted to acknowledge anybody that is watching my channel. Welcome. And today I am coming at you to bring you a color. I actually have it upside down. Let me try it again. Color video. Now, I had this package for about a week and a half. I have not been able to make a video. I have a piece of hair right on my lip. I've not been able to make this video, and actually that's going to have to be blurred out. It has my address on there. But yeah, this right here, I am going to open this up. Hopefully they have my order right, because I have not even opened it to check to make sure if I have everything that I ordered. So these are lip matte lipsticks, or matte lipstick. So here we go. Now, I have ordered from them maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I don't have any of their eyeshadows here, but I ordered a Lippies lipstick. I've ordered their eyeshadow, 2 color palettes, and I ordered a lip liner. So this is my first time ordering a whole bunch of goodies. I got, let me see what this is here. Hopefully, I don't even know if I turn this on. Yes, it's recording. Oh my gosh, I forgot it. I wasn't sure if I hit record. You just saw all the mess on the camera, but that's alright. These are the Lux lipsticks. So this is, yes, ColourPop Lux lipsticks. And I ordered 3 of them. Now, I'm going to be doing a lookbook, but it's just not going to be in this video. I'm going to do a lookbook and a swatch, but I just wanted to show you these are the lipsticks that I got. Now, I got some lip liners. This is Ultra Matte Lip. Now, I'm not sure what these are. These are the Lippy pencils. I didn't realize that I ordered 4 of these. I don't remember ordering 4 of these. I'm going to have to look at my original order invoice. I cannot see. I don't know if they gave me some. Oh, this is an Ultra Matte Lip. So, I'm going to open them. So, I wish I had I need my glasses, I cannot see what color this is. So what I'm going to do is cut, and I'll come back with my glasses so I can read the colors to you, and we will chat later. Okay, let's try this again. This also came with Hello Gorgeous from ColourPop. This is not a sponsored, let me just let you know, okay, that this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and yeah, I wanted to try their lipsticks because I love mattes. I love supernatural colors. I love bright colors when I'm going out, but on my everyday, I'm a neutral girl, you know, minimalist. So let me not do the lippies first. I want to get straight to the lipsticks, the fun part. So this one is called 27. I want to actually, dang, I'm tearing the box apart like it's Christmas. Look at that. I love packaging. I am a sucker for some pretty packaging, okay? This is called 27. That's what it looks like. It's a super reddish brown color. It goes on silky smooth. And I know this is going to look good on me. You're definitely going to see this in my video, so remember this color. And the next one is a Lux. I'm going to open all the Lux first. This is called What If. What If. Of course, same packaging. This is a hot fuchsia, baby. Talk to me. Talk to me. Are you talking yet? Isn't that pretty? Now this is the brightest one that I got so far. And then we'll do this one. This one is Liquid Courage. I'm tearing these boxes open. There's going to be no salvaging of the wrapping. And this is like, ooh, that is a beautiful, like a burnt reddish. I'm surprised, did I get this? Oh, Liquid Courage. Yeah, I did get this color. I remember this. And you know who swatched these was Alyssa. I'll have to pop her name, her YouTube channel. She is like one of the top YouTubers. That's where I got this those colors from. Because she had swatched those and I said, ooh, those are pretty and I gotta try these. Now this is an ultra matte lip. And this is, of course, Limbo. Limbo is that brownish color, and it's a matte. Hopefully you can see it, the light. And I know that's going to look pretty on me. And that's going to be a matte neutral. It may not be neutral on me. It depends. I'm not sure how it's going to look. But I'll definitely do a lookbook. And I'm going to be wearing these lipsticks when I do my videos. So you'll see them eventually. Even if I don't do a lip swatch or lookbook. Now this one is called Tule. This is a very popular color. It is like a mauve. It actually looks a lot darker than Tule is right here. It looks a lot darker than what I expected. Actually, a lot of these colors look darker than what I expected. I thought there was going to be kind of like, this is MAC, what I'm wearing is a matte MAC neutral. And then the only thing left here are the Lippie pencils. Now, I don't remember, this is BFF3, and I'll swatch the pencils on this hand. So, the next four is the Lippie stick. That is so awkward. There you go, that way. And these, I don't know which one. I'm just gonna go on. This one is Daydream. This one is beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. I actually saw this on their website in one of their videos. So that's what it looks like. And swatch. It actually looks prettier in the video. I'm not, to me it's like a basic neutral, you know, nothing to brag, but in the video it looked really good. Of course, marketing. Now this is a Lippie pencil, and I think this is the only pencil that I got. Oh no, I got two more pencils. Because I really needed some lip liners, because as you can see, this is MAC. And it is a neutral. I'm wearing it right here. This is a ColourPop, but I'm not sure. This is not sponsored, so I can mix brands. This is MAC, and I need this is nice, neutral, but I need a lip liner. So to make it, you know, pop, make it umbrella. But this here is called Wild Nothing, and I did not order this. So I'm not sure. I know I didn't order this. I don't know if they gave this to me as a bonus gift or I'm not sure. But that is the liner. So that would blend definitely with that lipstick. Those two would look good. And it would also look good, really good with this lipstick. Here made it happen. So I'm gonna try that. I'm kind of sleepy, y'all, because I'm doing this video later. So if I'm kind of dragging, that's why. And this one is Ella Ray, if you can see that. And she's a YouTuber. She does hair and makeup. So I needed a burgundy color. I'm not sure how to sharpen these. They don't twist. I don't know how to sharpen these. So if y'all know how to sharpen these, please post the comment below, because you can't run this through a pencil sharpener and it doesn't twist. And that's why I didn't buy, I bought one last time and I didn't know how to do it. That's the burgundy. I'm not sure how to, y'all help, I need help. Okay, one more. This one is BFF3. And I believe this is a brown. I'm in desperate need of a brown. The only brown I really use is chestnut in MAC. I'm a MAC girl, if you don't know. I've been using MAC since, you know, way before y'all were born. So this right here is the brown. And this is called BFF3. So I am definitely, this is going to be worn out. I'm going to use this like crazy on all my lipsticks because I hope y'all didn't hear that. Just trying to hurry up and make this video. This here is what it looks like. And that is it for ColourPop. So thank you for spending your time with me. I'm going to be wearing these for the holidays coming up and the new year. Prepping early. Yes, gotta prep early. Gotta be prepared for whatever is coming. So thanks for watching, and make sure you ring that bell. You know, make sure you hit that bell to keep the videos rolling, keep them coming, keep them rolling. I know I'm goofy. But we'll chat later. It's late and I'm so sleepy. So y'all have a good night and take care. God bless. Bye.